Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it feels so weird to be sitting in front of a camera and actually filming again. I haven't made a video in mad long. So much has happened. I feel like we have a lot of catching up to do. I moved, I got married, yeah, there's so much to talk about. So I figured I have somewhere to go today. I have a graduation to go to. And me and my friends are going out later tonight, so I'm going to film a full makeup routine. I get a lot of questions in person, like what products I use on my face and like what I do, and I tell people all the time, especially my cousin, you know who you are, like makeup is so easy. Like you don't have to follow the rules, just do what looks good. And enough chatting. So yeah, let's get into this tutorial. I'm not dressed. I have on my robe. I have no idea what I'm wearing today. Hair is not done, but we're gonna get this face together. I'm bringing you in very up close and personal. My skin hasn't been that bad lately. I've been trying to stay hydrated and take care of it as much as I can. Like I said, my face is moisturized. I feel like my lips aren't though. So just gonna use Babe's chapstick real quick. So yeah, what's been going on? I'm going to prime my face with one of my favorite primers. It's really inexpensive. It's called J.Cat's Beauty H2O Fresh and Dewy Base Primer. I did a makeup routine maybe like a year or so ago. It was basically like a lightweight. It wasn't like a full foundation routine. I don't wear makeup every day. Maybe once a week, if that. So if I have any excuse to wear makeup and get all pretty, then I'm gonna use it. Yeah, so I just put this all on my face so that, you know, there's a barrier between my skin and the makeup. And it just helps it glide on a lot smoother and lay nicer and whatever. Especially if you have a lot of texture to your skin. I usually do my brows after. I'm not a person that does their brows after the makeup is completely done. That's just weird to me. I feel like your brows frame your entire face. So yeah, it's summer now. Well, it's not officially summer, but I'm out of school, which is why I can make videos again. I'm in a physical therapy program, so it's really intense, it's really hard, a lot of studying and tests, but I've completed the hardest semester, thank God, because it was a lot, and there were some days I didn't think I was gonna make it, but we're here. So now I have one more semester left, and I graduate, and I take my boards, and then I'm a therapist. So yeah, that's exciting. If you guys didn't know, oh, it's hot, and I'm out of breath, Lord. I got married to my best friend in December of last year. I wanted to film that whole entire process, but I had my wedding while I was in school, and it was just like busy and like somewhat stressful. Thank God I had amazing bridesmaids and like family members and friends who actually helped me a lot. As far as my channel, I'm just excited for where it's going to go, and now I have time to dedicate time to my channel, because I wasn't able to do that. But like, there was no way I was able to film videos, edit them, and you know, give my all into school at the same time. Like, I can multitask, but in order for me to like perfect things and do things the way I want to do them, I have to be able to give it my 100% attention. Otherwise it's just going to be like crap. So as far as my hair is concerned, the last big thing I did to my hair like last August was cut it. And it wasn't until like I was looking back at videos, like the video after I cut my hair and I did like a twist out tutorial or something, I realized how much it's grown. Like, it actually grew back to the length it was before. Well, almost the length it was before I got it cut. So, and I needed that cut, so I wasn't stressing. Like, my hair was short Like, it went from like past my collarbone to like my chin, basically. So, but I needed it. My ends were trash. Well, now I'm just going to fill my eyebrows in with this brown powder. So, yeah, I was starting this Ayurvedic journey. And I used henna on my hair, and that went great. Like, it made my hair feel a lot stronger or whatever. And I was using this oil that was making my hair grow. And then I got my hair cut. So I want to get back to that. I want to incorporate a lot of like natural products to my hair. Like, I stopped buying products from the store, and I just want to use like powders, like shikakai powder and amla powder, like all these things to cleanse my hair. Rasul clay, I'm going to start doing that. So my whole hair care journey is changing. I'm like transitioning. I'm trying to use up all my products and shampoos anymore, because eventually I'm not going to be using those anymore. I won't say like I will never use them again, but I just want to switch things up with my hair. Look forward to those videos coming out. And thank you guys to those people who were like still subscribed to my channel and still subscribing. Like, who stayed subscribed and still subscribing to my channel even though I wasn't making videos. Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all for real, because I definitely wasn't putting out any content, but that's gonna change. Oh, another thing I wanted to incorporate into my channel. I've been going to the gym lately. I've been trying to put on weight. There was a point where I was stuck at 130 forever. Then I finally got, like, in my early 20s, I got to like 145, and now I'm at like 156 or whatever. My goal weight is like in the 160s. We'll see how I look when I get there. When I tell people my weight, they're like, no, you're not. I'm like, yeah, I actually am 150 whatever. I'm tall. I'm 5'7", so it's just deceiving. Like, where does your weight go? If I don't work out, if I'm trying to gain weight, it will really all go to my stomach, which we're not having that. Oh, it's so hot. I'm sweating. And to my legs. So, yeah, I've been going to the gym, and people are like, oh, you don't need to gain weight, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, I mean, whatever. And not to sound mean or anything, but other people's opinions really don't matter to me. So I'm gonna do what I want to do, and I'm doing it healthily. The thing about it was, I wasn't eating. Like, I have a really big appetite. Once I eat, but like before, it was just like before I got married, it was just like, eating is a chore. Like, I don't feel like fixing myself something to eat. Thankfully, my mom is like a chef and she always cooks my meals and stuff, but I was just lazy. Ew. Anyway, now I need like 5 meals a day, like 3 big meals and like snacks in between. My husband's really good at meal prepping. I'm trying to get better at it, but he's way better at it than I am, like with his Tupperwares and everything. But me, I'm getting there. People used to tell me like, oh, why do you go to the gym? What do you mean, why do I go to, what kind of question is that? I feel like that's the most stupidest thing. Like, oh, you're skinny, you don't need to go to the gym. What? What kind of, I don't understand people sometimes. This one's my favorite, NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I like to spray my face and my brush before I put on foundation. I like it to be a little dewy. This is a setting spray from Skindinavia. So yeah, people will tell me like, why are you going to the gym? You're skinny, like you don't need to. What? It's not like I'm going to the gym to lose weight. First of all, I was weak. I'm going to the gym to build up my strength. I do a lot of ooh, that was a lot of weight training. I don't do that much cardio. I should incorporate a little bit more cardio to my routine, but for the most part, I just lift weights. So yeah, I want to bring you guys along with my weight gain journey. I'm just going to show you what I eat. I'm not taking like a petamin or anything like that because I don't know how good that is for you. So I'm not going to put that in my body, and yeah, I don't need any health issues because so I'm just going to do it the old-fashioned way and bring you guys along with me. So once I buff it into my skin with a brush, I'm a brush girl. I use my beauty blender to soak up any excess and to really blend it out even further. Yeah, so eventually I want to bring you guys to the gym with me, show you what I'm eating, and like track my whole weight gain journey. So I feel like that would be cool. In the comment section below, let me know what you guys think of that. After I do that, I do my under eye concealer. This is where people are like, I don't know what shade to use and da 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 da. It's so easy. I just pick a shade that's like one shade lighter than my skin tone. But today I'm going to use Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Tan. So that's basically it. Like, what's been going on in y'all's lives? I want to know. Now I'm going to use this concealer, which is closer to my complexion. It's like a little bit lighter, you'll see, on my forehead, and it looks a lot lighter because I'm sitting in front of the window, but and I just melt it in with my sponge. I don't use a brush or anything. I just melt all the powder into that area just to set it so it doesn't move or crease or do anything crazy. So what I do is, I don't go like, here's my, if you don't know where your cheekbones are, you can just make that face and, you know, follow that. But I really go a little, like a tiny bit higher, because things could get a little muddy. And I don't use it much either. Just that. The natural indentation is. So just a little bit, not too much. And I use this brush that I've had forever. I think it's like the Expert Face Brush by Real Techniques or something. And I just blend it back. Blend. So it kind of like chisels out my skin, and then I don't bring it down because that just defeats the purpose, but we're just trying to create a shadow in our face. So I just buff up and back. And I do the same thing over here. Excess, whatever excess is on it, I use on my nose. Dab, 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 dab. Blend, blend, blend. This palette right here, I feel like every chocolate girl should have this palette because it's so, like, the colors are so complementary to our skin. It's really my favorite. But today, I'm gonna use Abby. and I do a little blush. I'm telling you, these shades complement our skin so much. I don't really use the pink, but it does look good on chocolate skin. It's not as scary as it looks. You just have to use a little bit. But today I think I'm gonna do a mixture between Toby and Neo. It's the reddish rusty clay color and the orange one mixed together. I do that in between the blush, the contour and the highlight. My favorite setting spray though is this Morphe Continuous Mist. It just, you'll see, the way it sprays out is perfect. So nice. All-time favorite drugstore mascara is L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original. I was probably using this back in 7th grade when I wasn't allowed to wear makeup. When I see this mascara, it just automatically brings me back to like my childhood, but I was like maybe like 13. But it's really nice. It's not clumpy. It just gives your lashes a nice lift and volume. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I probably won't do more makeup videos because this is pretty much all I do. Like, I don't do eyeshadow like that. I'm not a makeup artist, but this gets the job done. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any suggestions on the types of videos you want to see, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll do my best to put them out. Yeah, like I said, I have a lot of videos lined up, so be ready for those. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for sticking with me this long when I wasn't uploading any videos. I really appreciate that. And yeah, you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.